Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Avanti Morocha. Today I'll show you how easy it is to make custom boxes using Cricut Venture. Now let's begin. I'm in design space. For this project I'm using an SVG file from my Creative Fabrica membership. To upload the file, go to the toolbar, Upload, and click on Upload Images. I'll look for the file. When doing a 3D project, I recommend using a vector file. In this case, I'm using an SVG file. Add it to Canvas. When using an external vector file, all the layers will have a basic cut operation. You need to change the operation for the scoring lines manually. I'll select all the scoring lines, then go to the header bar and change the operation to score. This is different if you are using images from the Cricut's library. Let me show you an example. Go to Images. I'll choose this one, Add to Canvas. As you can see in the layer panel, this image has layers with the scoring operation. You don't need to modify them manually. Let me know if you want me to use this box in another video. For now, I'll delete it and continue with the other box. I'll change the color to pink so it's easy for you to see the scoring and cutting lines. I'll multiply this piece. I want 8 boxes and I'll modify the dimensions based on the cardstock I'm using, which is 28 by 22 inches. The max cutting area when using the large mat is 23.5 by 27.5 inches. Now select everything and click on Attach. Now click on Make It. The first operation is score and then the basic cut. Continue. My Cricut Venture is connected via Bluetooth. Select the material. I'm using medium weight cardstock. Follow the directions on your screen. I'm using the Performance Blade, that is the one that comes with Cricut Venture. I'll also use the scoring stylus, a tool I already had and is compatible with Cricut Venture. Raise the lever, press the mat support button, and add the other mat support arms to the back. Insert the mat from the back. Venture use suction to keep the mat in place. Lower the lever. Press the button to load the mat. If you're using the docking station, ensure the basket is open. If not, provide enough space for the mat to move freely. Now press the Start button. I fast-forwarded this part of the video. Scoring and cutting these pieces took 3 minutes 40 seconds. Based on the size of the boxes you're making, you could use a Cricut from the Make It or Explore series. The big difference is the time you'll save when using Cricut Venture. Raise the lever to unload the mat. Remove the pieces from the mat. Don't forget to cover the mat when you are done cutting the pieces. Assemble the boxes. Having score lines help you with the process. When making this type of boxes, I recommend using double-sided adhesive. That's it, the box is ready. I hope you liked this video and find it informative. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. If you are interested in a Cricut Venture, I'll share the links where you can buy it in the info box below the video. If you are new to the Cricut community, I invite you to join the Cricut Crafting Corner group on Facebook. If you are new to my channel and you like what you see, hit the subscription button, tap the notification bell so you get informed every time I release a new video. Don't forget to visit my blog, follow me on my social media, like this video and share it with your loved ones. See you soon. Ciao, ciao.